Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to manage your subscription or change your plan in the Remini app. Just open the app and go to the settings, which is in the top right corner, and then scroll down a little bit where you can find this manage subscription button. Click on it. And now you can either cancel your subscription or see other plans. If you click on this button, now I have a light plan which involves these functions, but we can scroll to the right, and here you can see different types of plans, and you can change between weekly or yearly. And if you have found your favorite one, your favorite plan, then click on this black button, yes, to change to this plan. That's basically it. I hope it helps.